Hi guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Now, if this is your first time here or if you just haven't gotten a chance, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out a lot. Also, take a look at some of our other videos. You are sure to find something that you love there. Now, in today's video, let's talk about a good tropical room. I don't know about you guys, but after the last couple of years that we have had, I am in need of a vacation. Not just any vacation. I'm talking about laying on the beach with my toes in the sand, listening to the waves, and getting a nice golden tan type vacation. Now, unfortunately, I have no plans to do so right now. I don't have the budget to do so either. But what better way to get that need fulfilled than by turning one of my rooms into my own private vacation getaway using tropical home decor. Whether your home is located in a tropical area or not, tropical decor lends a warm, exotic touch to any residence. Images of tropical destinations evoke feelings of warmth and relaxation, and houses in the tropics, they're often open and airy, comfortable and, well, uncluttered. You can make any room look tropical and evoke these feelings with just a few changes to the decor. Color and texture play important roles, as well as the materials you use and the style of the furniture. Let's talk about color and pattern first. Even a small splash of color can add a tropical look to any room. A tropical color scheme includes cool blues and greens from sea, sky, and jungle foliage, as well as splashes of hot colors like orange and red and bright purple from tropical flowers and insects, even a sunset. Tropical colors work well against a neutral color, so walls painted in white, cream, or a light color provide a stunning backdrop for your decor. Keep the floor a neutral color also and add a bright rug. You can limit your tropical colors to just a few or a mix and match of something that just draws you to it. You can also add patterns into your room by choosing bright fabrics of lush tropical flowers and foliage, or incorporate the patterns of traditional fabrics from tropical locales such as Bali and Hawaii. Next, let's talk about materials and texture. Natural fabrics such as cotton, linen, bamboo, and silk give a light, airy, tropical feel to a room. Mix and match these fabrics to contrast textures, putting the smoothness of silk against the slight roughness of linen. Alternatively, the sheen of silk works against the matte finish of cotton or bamboo fabrics. For window coverings, consider sheer curtains. That just screams a tropical vacation. Or, if that's not your style, what about simple wooden blinds for more privacy? Now, let's talk about furnishings. Images of the tropics bring to mind long, lazy days just lounging around. To add the tropical look to your room with furniture, choose comfortable pieces that are easy to sit and even lie on. Plump pillows on a sofa or chair encourage relaxation. Lastly, let's talk about accessories. Accessories are the easiest way to add a tropical look to any room. Tropical plants, flowers, candles, all of these things delight the senses. Even your lighting can mimic tropical light from sunrise to sunset. Alright friends, don't forget to comment your favorite tropical style room down below in the comments section. Also let me know, is this look too vacation for you? Is this something that you would love to have in a hotel room or a vacation spot? Maybe an Airbnb, but not so much in your home? I am all ears. Let's talk about it in the comments section. So I've already asked you what your favorite was. Be sure to comment it down below if you want to know mine. It's this beauty right here. I seriously want to go in this room and not come out for days. Alright guys, that was today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell so you do not miss an upload. It's been so fun guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye!